Welcome. Today we'll look at how you can add an instant one-off payment to a subscription. Do you want to charge for a deposit, give a limited offer, or charge a joining fee at the start of a subscription? Let's look at how to add an instant one-off payment to an existing subscription. Imagine you're a gym owner and you want to run a limited offer where the first month of your standard membership is half price. To save you from charging your customers for their first month on card and then the membership on direct debit, you can set up all these payments in one checkout. You'll get instant confirmation of their first payment so they can start using your gym immediately, and you'll get paid in as little as 1 business day. Start by going to the Create Payment menu, go to Subscription and then click New Customers. From here, we can click to add a first payment. Complete the name and value of the first payment and select Add Payment. You can see a preview of this payment on the right-hand side. From the Choose Subscription template drop-down menu, choose the subscription you'd like this instant one-off payment to accompany. Then click Invite Customer. You can see a summary of all the charges on the right-hand side and the steps your customer completes. Simply share this payment by either copying the link to send via email, WhatsApp, or SMS, or download and display a QR code. If you copy the link and open it in your browser, you can see what your customers will see when they click the link or scan the QR code. Their first payment will be shown at the top and the recurring payment underneath. What if you want to create a new subscription and add an instant one-off payment? Imagine you run a local sports team and for the start of the new season, you'd like to add the cost of a jersey to the first month of the new season membership. From the dashboard homepage, go to Create Payment, then Subscription, and choose New Customers. As before, add the name and amount of your first subscription and select Add Payment. Now, toggle to select Create New Subscription and fill out the details of your new subscription, including the name, amount, and frequency. Choose when you'd like your recurring payment to start. You can choose Start as soon as possible. This will start up to 5 business days after your customer has submitted their details for the direct debit mandate. Or you can choose to start from a specific date, and payment will be taken on that date every month. Then select Create Subscription. Share the link with customers via email, WhatsApp, or SMS, or download and display a QR code for new customers to scan. Much the same as adding a payment to an existing subscription. When your new customers open the link, they'll be shown this checkout page where they can fill out their details to make both the instant one-off payment and set up their direct debit. And that's it! You're all set to collect a one-off first payment and a subscription. Thanks for watching.